PALS Ocala Auto Repair, we do everything from engine replacement to simple oil changes. We love Mini Coopers. This one needs rear brakes. We will replace the brake rotors, brake hardware, and brake pads, and this car will stop like brand new. This is a 2007 Hyundai Tucson. It has a bad alternator. Alternators charge your battery and keep you going. We're going to install a new alternator on it, and it'll run like new. At PALS, we work on everything from 48 Buicks to Bentleys. Bring your car into us. We'll make it better in a hurry.